everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add arrow on Filmora application using mobile device. Adding an arrow to your video in Filmora is a straightforward process, so here's how you can do it. Launch open Filmora application and then open up a project from where you want to edit your video, or simply go ahead and continue with one of the existing projects. Now that you've opened up your project, go ahead and tap on the sticker option at the bottom of the screen. Inside the sticker option, browse through the available stickers to find an arrow. You can go ahead and choose the arrow category from the provided option. If you are not subscribed to Filmora Pro, then you will not be able to use most of these stickers and options or effects out there. If you want to go ahead and subscribe to Pro, simply go ahead and choose one of the arrows and tap on it. After you are done selecting the arrow, tap on the tick mark at the top right to make your choice. Now, you will be able to see the sticker or the arrow in your video preview. Use your finger to resize or position the arrow on the screen. After you are done, you can drag it to your desired location and then adjust the duration of arrow by dragging the edges right under your video timeline. Now that you've adjusted the arrow, tap on the export button at the top right corner, and then if you're not subscribed to Filmora Pro, go ahead and do it right now by clicking on the Pro Export option at the bottom. Follow through the instructions and subscribe to Filmora Pro, enter your payment information, and then you will be able to use the desired arrows and elements on your video. But remember that in order to use the Pro contents, you will need to subscribe to Filmora Pro. If you don't do it right now, your added elements might not show up on your export. So that's how you can easily add arrows on Filmora application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.